무장아찌 is pickled radish, which is salted and drained radish placed inside in sauce for fermentation. So it could be so salty. I will let you know how to make it less salty and have a chewy texture. All you need to prepare is just pickled radish, corn syrup, and a little bit of sesame oil and sesame seeds. Put up the pickled radish. Julienne the cutted radish. Put the prepared radish into a bowl and add enough amount of corn syrup. Set aside for 1 hour. A lot of water will come up due to osmotic pressure, and a pickled radish will have funny texture. Drain the pickled radish, but don't rinse them. Add a little bit of sesame oil and sesame seeds and mix them well.